By problem situation, we mean a question, a challenge, or an issue that requires a solution to be built or formulated. It may have more than one possible solution or more than one right way to get to that solution. The question or issue should either help to raise adults' awareness, push them to take a stance, to make a decision, or to take on a challenge. Does the goal of your learning situation or LS fit into one of those categories? What exactly is the difference between the problem, the context, and the final production? Well, the context should allow us to better understand from what angle we should treat the situation. The problem is the question, the issue, or the challenge that will drive our actions throughout the learning situation. And the final production or final outcome is what is expected of us as a result of those actions. A simple way to define the problem is to imagine the gap between where you are now and where you wish to be at the end of the learning situation. Let's take, for example, that you are a teacher with great leadership skills. That's your point A. And that your aim is to become an assistant principal. That's your point B. You see, a true problem is when I must mobilize a variety of resources to resolve a complex task. Here's another example. Susan wants to get fit. She also wants to promote the Cancer Research Society in honor of her aunt who conquered breast cancer. So, she decides to join a challenge and fundraiser organized by this society, the expedition to climb to the summit of Machu Picchu in Peru. She wishes to be part of next year's group. Can you identify what part is the context? The problem? The final outcome? Having a true problem will help close the gap between what you already know and what you need to know to get to the final outcome by driving you to mobilize a set of skills and knowledge, thus making the tasks more significant to you. Here are two examples of problems that you could use in a class. How will I position myself on a current event? How will I go about developing a well-balanced diet? Good. So the problem within a learning situation is a bit clearer. But why is it, again, we should use learning situations in the classroom? Because they allow us to practice for real-life situations. Practice in the class to be competent in life. Practice makes perfect.